Hey everyone, Soccer Bro here. I'm back with another video for you guys. This is another vlog video. Happy 4th of July. It's nice to make another video for you guys on Monday. I know it's kind of late, but it's mostly because I decided to go with this video instead of the food review that I had planned for today because I forgot that it was the 4th of July. But for next week, for Tuesday, I do have planned the classic car show at Classic Burger. So that's what you're gonna get next week, but you're gonna get on Tuesday. So that's basically the plan for like this week and next week. So just so you guys know. And also the fireworks are about to start. I might have to actually stand up at one point. Fireworks up there, and I totally missed it. They're probably at the fireworks too, Mama. I love the coloring in the sky though, it's pretty. The fireworks will appear like around here, but there's also other people doing them around, so that you're gonna hear a lot of fireworks going off. Don't click on that, please. Because if you click on the hotspot, it's gonna mess up my phone. And I don't even know why I come off as a hotspot anyway. I don't even have one. Unless it's an automatic one that I didn't know about, probably.
You know what's safe is when you mind your business. That doesn't happen. Mind your business.
It's almost 9:30, so they're gonna start it soon, basically. You're wearing long pants, but you're wearing flip-flops. Still rocking the cons like I did last year. Sorry if this is boring. I know it probably is. It's just that we're in public doing video and it's hard to talk. Cause yeah. I know. That's the whole point. They can hear me. That's the whole point of the video. Your curl matches your father's curl. Got the curls in the back too. That's also natural. No matter how many times you brush your hair, it's literally always going to be curly.
Yeah, especially when it's super cute, it's freezing curly.
Okay, first of all.
Yeah, that does suck. I mostly have straight, wavy hair, basically. That's my hair. I always do that. I keep missing it. If you saw that, there's fireworks over here. I know, I see them. They're going off everywhere today. Still going. Isn't it 9:30 already? Shouldn't it have started?
9:30 now.
Hey.
Well, then it's gonna start at any moment. Probably gonna keep this YouTube video short only because like I want to do like reels of the fireworks going off, and I also want to do like photos and everything too. There it goes. Yeah. I'm fine. They can see it because a lot of the time we always get stuck at the back. gotta do what you gotta do, honestly.
Okay. All right, we're going home now.
That's funny. I'll put the finale up as a reel or a YouTube short so you guys can still see it, because I'm not going to record all of it, just some of it. So you get to watch some of the fireworks together. Still so pretty though. Yeah, I haven't done my favorite ones yet.
What's that?
The ones that pop and then they have the sizzling sound. Those ones. So pretty. Just because it's shiny, that doesn't mean you have to run towards the explosives. You don't wonder if like a train goes through and then like we get the train and the fireworks? These ones are cool too. Just need to smooch a little bit. Oh, those are pretty! No, the last one was, there it is. I wonder what they look like when they're firing them off though. Must be extremely loud. It's so pretty.
They were a lot higher. You can see everything.
Yeah, but last year they were more positioned over here going off. They're on the bridge further up this time. That's why. Also, we got here earlier last time too. So there's that.
Where I live, you could right off
For those of you who do not know, we were actually held up at Uno's earlier because it just took so long for us to get our order and to get like
Because
takeout
the
and stuff
lady
like
left,
that.
The waitress was supposed to take care of us. She left for an emergency. That's what they told us.
Well, yeah, and they were just swamped. They were low staffed. They were low staffed today, so yeah. Pretty lights. So pretty. Those ones are cute. I better not get copyrighted. Well, yeah, but I would get copyrighted. Unless I add it into like the reels or TikTok later.
Now somebody's playing it on
like 9 o'clock and I just want to like sleep.
If your mother tells you to take pills and you don't take them and go to the beach and you act up,
Oh, look pretty! They're the sizzle ones.
think it's a joke. I'm not playing.
I remember
I have molested Johnson.
when you guys had us like sit on like the roof of the car just because we really could not see. But that was in the plaza, not here. Whenever we did watch the fireworks downtown, we never came here. We would watch from the car garages. Which was cooler. But this is cool too. This is still home. Still pretty. I love the fact how these are going and then there's like those over there. Like if you can't see this one, you see the other.
You don't never know what's happening.
I wish I had a stand for my phone, honestly. I'm not much older. Well, that was like the fastest ever. Well, I'll let you guys go. We had fun doing this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.